Hey creative friends, hey, it's Rebecca here. I'm so excited to get to show you another Temu shopping haul. This particular package is another set of craft items. So I'm going to go ahead and take these out and show them to you one by one. I'm so excited to try some of these. And let's see what all is in here. It's so much fun to shop because they have so many items at really good prices. So this is paper cutter. I have been in need of one of these, so just being able to slide this up and down to get some good, nice clean cuts on cardstock. And so I'm excited to have one that's nice and pretty small. So this will be super handy. And I believe there's a part that slides out. Yeah, so this of course will open, let your paper go under, and then be able to slide this up and down. And it's got good rubber feet, which should keep it pretty solid. Alright, so very inexpensive, but a nice paper trimmer. Alright, and then I just could not pass these up. These are some more beautiful little purse-sized notebooks, and they had four different designs, and so I got two of them. And let me show you the inside. I believe the paper was like craft paper. And nice, flexible, but sturdy. It's got a good feel to it. Of course, the covers are thicker. And yeah, see, they have it's unlined craft paper, super smooth. So that's gonna look great with you know, waxy colored pencils, or those fine liners should work great in this. So I'm excited about having a, you know, nice craft paper tone. But beautiful little purse-sized notebooks. So those are always super handy to have. Nice designs. Right, and then let's see, I have a cutting mat, and a very nice size cutting mat, but look at the thickness of this. It is so sturdy. It's a lot thicker than I was expecting. So this will be great. I could even use it as like a mouse pad too, I think, here on the desk. It looks like it's going to be great for like a self-healing cutting mat. Yeah, highly durable quality, A5 size. And yes, I'm really impressed at how thick that is. I've seen some at like the Dollar Tree, but they were much thinner. So that's going to work out great. Alright, and then look at these beautiful stencils. There's a whole set of these, and it looks like you'll be able to put them on a ring to keep up with them. They're all square shaped, but I love these designs. Mandala designs. So aren't these pretty? And those will hold up nicely. Nice and sturdy, flexible, and just some very pretty designs. I'll do another short video if I show you some ideas or something that I might try with this. But those are big squares. Isn't that pretty? And there's a bunch of them. You could even use just that piece and in the edge or a border of a card. Very nice designs. And there's a bunch of them. I'm glad they gave us the ring to be able to keep these together. Very nice. You could even use just that center heart shape by itself. And that little tulip type design there could stand on its own. But otherwise, altogether, a beautiful stencil. And there's so many of them. Very intricate cuts. Alright. So those are beautiful. Again, I'll do another real quick short video if I use any of these soon. But yeah, 6x6 squares. Very pretty. A whole set of beautiful stencils. Alright, and then lastly, I believe these two are related. I have wanted some of these markers for quite a while. They are chrome markers, and I think these are going to look beautiful on some darker paper. They're supposed to be very, very high gloss chrome marker, and they come in different nib sizes. So I got a thicker bullet nib and then a thinner nib, and there are several others, but really excited to try these. They refer to them as paint markers, so they should be, you know, permanent paint, and they should work great on dark paper. And I'm curious to see if they're like other paint pens where you shake them. Yeah, I believe that's how it's going to work. And this is going to take me some time to get this unwrapped. They're packaged nicely, so each in a box and then each wrapped up. This one is also wrapped up. So let me get these unwrapped in some dark paper, and we will try those out right now. Okay, I'm very excited about these. As they dry, they get brighter and shiny. It's very, very shiny. I don't know if you can tell in this light, but just a nice silver, shiny chrome look. And so this is two different widths. It's hard to tell. It did take a while to prime them. You have to shake them and then go up and down for a minute or two to get the ink started. But then once your ink is flowing, they're very pretty. So this is the thinner nib, and then this is a little bit thicker. If you can tell, yeah, you can tell a little bit there. Oh, but just beautiful. So I'm excited to be able to try this on different materials. Here it is just on a darker blue paper, which is very pretty. But I'm hoping that they will do well on different types of surfaces, on different materials. So I'll let you know. Just watch out. I may have some shorts coming up soon that I'll try these on leather. Is what I'm really excited. I want to see if it will be permanent on leather and still stay shiny after we put a leather protectant on the leather. So very, very excited to try that. All right. And then this cutting pad looks like it's going to work out just great. Here is this the pen that I had last time. It looks like a pen, but it's actually a little cutting blade on there, so it works great for like straight cuts. So we could come in and draw something and then cut this out. And so that's exactly, I needed a mat to be able to help protect my desk, because that way I don't have to get out a huge cutting mat if I don't need it. So this is pretty thick cardstock here, so yeah, I lost where my line was, but you get the idea. So that's going to work out great. Excellent. And then also I will have the cutting blade here. Yes, so here's the part that folds out. That way you can get a nice square to it. Alright, so I'll just put a piece of the cardstock in through there. Excellent. Yes, so I'll get some practice on how to use this quickly and easily. but cuts beautifully through this thick cardstock. Alright. Thanks so much for watching. Let me know if there's any of these other items that you want me to try. And enjoy shopping. There's just so many great items out there on Temu for really inexpensive prices. So, and if any of these catch your eye, then check out my links below. Or also just there's a discount code for new people to Temu, and that way you can get their 30% off your item for brand new users. So thanks so much for watching. Talk to you later.